how to add music to WhatsApp status on Android. So if you want to add music to WhatsApp status on your Android, then what you need to do is first, you just need to simply open up your WhatsApp. After opening, if you want to add music to your WhatsApp status, then go with updates, which is on the bottom. Now from the updates on the top, you will have add status section, right? So tap on add status, and let me tell you one thing, that you don't have a direct option to add music in your previous updates, but with the newest update, if you've selected something like, for example, I'll select a photo, or you can also go with a video. Once you've selected a photo or a video, if you want to add music, on the top, as you can see, that you will have a music option, right? So tap on music and then select any music that you would like to add to your WhatsApp status. Like I'll go with the first one. Once you've selected, go with the arrow which is on the right side, go with done which is on the top right, and the music has been added. That's it. But if you're not getting this add music option, then make sure that your WhatsApp is up to date. Once your WhatsApp is updated, the application, you can go and update it from your Play Store. And after updating, you'll find the add music option. You'll be able to add music to your WhatsApp status on your Android. That's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.